What's up and good afternoon, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's a big day for our buddy Chris. As you guys know, thanks to I think it was like 2, 3, maybe 4 videos ago, I said if Chris gets 2,500 likes on that video, he's gonna get the Work For It decal, the big one across the back of his back window on the truck that he's been asking for since Work For It's inception. Now, the reason I haven't really made it for him, or I just haven't gotten around to it, is Chris wants a really custom one, and it's a lot of work and takes a lot of time to make those extra large decals, and especially the way Chris wants it. Well, since you guys pulled through and gave way more than 2,500 likes, I'm a man of my word. We're gonna make sure we get Chris's decal made today, and also today's the perfect day to give it to him because, well, it's the big man's birthday. So let's run upstairs, let's get his decal made, and then we gotta go get some more stuff because we're gonna have a little bit of a celebration and really make him work for that decal. So I've been racking my brain trying to figure out what exactly the way he wanted the decal to be, or which way he wanted the decal to be, because, you know, we had this discussion years ago. So I kind of been playing back and forth with a few ideas. I don't think I've shown you guys my new cutter yet. If you guys remember, this is my old decal cutter or vinyl cutter. Loud, clunky, but a hell of a unit to start out on and to really get this business growing. But wait till you guys check out the new decal cutter because this thing's badass. So this is the new cutter. This thing is one hell of an upgrade from the last one. Obviously a lot sleeker and nicer looking. And this one uses servo motors, whereas the last one uses stepper motors, which that's what's gonna change the difference in sound from these things. This thing is almost dead quiet. And every time I've ever tried to like put it on video to show how quiet it is, it shows up way louder on video than it does in person, but this thing is insanely quiet. Anyways, here's kind of some of the ideas I've been playing around with for Chris's decal. I think we're gonna layer a couple different colors and really give him, you know, a one-of-a-kind Work For It decal because, you know, we definitely do not make nor sell decals that are really this labor-intensive to make. All right, let's get some vinyl loaded. And one of the trick things about this new cutter versus the last cutter is it will actually detect the edges of the vinyl, whereas the last one, kind of where you put it in is where it goes. This one actually scans the width of the roll and all that. It's a really, really trick setup. So check it out. It'll scan for the width of the vinyl, which is pretty cool. Reset back to the original location. And now we're ready to cut. So let's get this decal cut. So as you can hear behind me, this thing is insanely quiet, well worth the investment. It takes a lot more work to really dial in the settings on this thing, but having that extra level of precision and control is really the reason you step up. Still recommend learning on a kind of more entry-level machine like my last one, but I am so glad I purchased this one. But it was expensive. So normally I pre-assemble these decals, obviously, because when they get shipped to you guys, you want to be able just to install them. But since we're going to have Chris's truck here, and since this is a little bit more intricate of a decal, I'm going to actually assemble it on the truck. Should all go according to plan. I don't really enjoy installing these, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. Almost got it all on shot. If you guys are interested in getting Work For It decals of your own, don't forget to head on over to WORKFORITapparel.com. And we do offer the XL decal. Now, we don't offer them as tricked out as Chris is going to get his, but we do offer some really, really sweet ones. I'll put the link right here. Alright, so now we got the transfer tape on both of these. These are ready to install. I'm going to get them rolled up, put inside of a tube to transport them over there. But, being that, we need to make Chris work for it. And, you know, obviously he has. We got all the likes and all that. But what's one last little hoorah for the guy, because it is his dirty 30. The old man is turning 30 today, and you wouldn't believe it because the guy's going bald on his head. Acts like he's about 15, but, you know, you can kind of tell by the bald hair. Anyways, we're going to get this guy a pinata, throw the decal in the pinata, and really make him work to get that decal out. So let's head on over to a store right now that I'm pretty sure has pinatas. So I think we found a place that has a couple pinatas. This place is actually pretty sick. Check it out. There's like 5 million pinatas. Apparently I'm the tallest person that's ever walked into this store because yeah, there's nothing exactly at my height here, but I think we're gonna find Chris a good pinata. I think we found the perfect one here for my man Chris. This just speaks Chris's name right here. So we're gonna throw this in the car. We're gonna get this. We gotta get some candy for this thing too. If you guys don't know, I grew up pretty close to Mexico. So to me, like, American candy is not really my thing. I'm a big fan of Mexican candy. So a lot of you guys that don't know or don't live near the border probably have no clue what any of this stuff is, but this is stuff I grew up on. This is stuff that I love. So let's get Chris hooked up with some stuff. He did too, you know, we both grew up in the same area. Definitely gotta get some of these bad boys, some of our favorites. What else we got here? Oh, some mini dedos. Está bueno. Okay, throw this in a cart. Oh, yep. Always got to get these, a staple, a classic. I think our boy's gonna like his sweet pinata here. Got a little extra for ourselves too, but let's go get this thing stuffed and head on over and meet up with our buddy Chris. All right, let's get this big old pinata stuff. Now I don't care what you are, white, brown, black, yellow, green, purple, blue, whatever, rainbow. Ain't nobody I know that does not enjoy busting open a pinata, especially on their birthday. This is one stiff pinata. Chris is really gonna have to beat the crap out of this thing. All right, first things first, let's see if we can cram this tube in this hole we made without breaking the pinata. Throw it in. There we go. The best part about this is we get to make and clean it all up. Now, out of curiosity, what is your guys', those of you that have tried it, favorite Mexican candy? And those of you that have not tried it, I highly suggest you guys go out and try some Mexican candy. This shit is amazing. And because I'm really kind of a dick, I got a ton of confetti to put in this to really make it that much harder for the guys to clean up. All right, she's all full. We'll get her sealed back up here with some tape. Make sure we shake it up real good, get that confetti all mixed up in there for him. Well, everything's ready to go. I really hope that Chris does not beat the decal up, but I'm pretty sure it's safe inside that cardboard tube because that's what I ship them in and they seem to really make it okay. But last thing to do is let's go find the big guy. All right, so I'm trying to get this set up real quick before he comes outside and sees it. Take a nice tall branch because a giant. Oh yeah, what could go wrong? What could go wrong? Let's go get that piñata. All right, Chris is gonna be coming out any second now. Oh, here he comes. Come on, buddy. What's up, buddy?
I gotta put a hat on.
Why you gotta put a hat on?
Because I'm getting older and you know.
Well, I already told him about the hair. We should show him your hair. Come on. Come on out, buddy. They already know. It's the big birthday guy. Happy birthday, buddy. How's it feel to be 30?
Feels great.
Does it? You look a little rough. I'm not gonna lie, man. You show. I can tell you're 30.
Fuck you.
Hey, what do you think, bro? Happy birthday, buddy. Would you like your birthday surprise?
Sweet.
Dude, you gotta come check it out. Go check it out. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, bro. You know, I was searching for the ideal pinata for you, and I think we found the ideal pinata. Does that say Chris or what?
That's cool.
You like it?
I do.
Oh, what's in it?
What's in it?
I don't know.
Well, where's my stick or my bat or?
Well, you know, I was trying to think of like we need a stick for this, and then it hit me. We got the perfect stick. You just wait right here. So Matt from Speed Pulls, you know, the guys that make our flag pulls, he always tells me, test out my products. I want to make sure that they last because they're built to last. Now, I don't think he intended that when he made me this GoPro handle to really test it out in the way we're going to test it out, but that guy stands behind his products, and I have no doubt this Speed Pull GoPro handle that he does not sell, by the way, custom made for me, thank you, Matt, is going to stand up to the test of this pinata. You ready, buddy?
I'm ready.
All right. Are you warming up?
Yep.
Well, we don't want to make this too easy for you, so we were going to blindfold you, but I think this old jacked up horse mask is going to be, it's just going to be a lot funnier than blindfold because you really can't see shit out of these things. You ready, buddy?
Sure.
On my, no, you gotta swing that way, you dick. All right, feel it? All right, have at it, buddy.
I really can't see anything out of this thing.
That's the point. Have at it.
No!
Come on, buddy. You okay, buddy?
Oh yeah, you hit in the face.
This hey man, sport of pinating is violent.
What's this thing made out of?
Metal. Oh! You're almost there.
Really?
You're almost there. Good job. All right, go get your Bud Lights in there. You gotta see what's in it, buddy. Well, the most important thing already flew out.
What?
You gotta look for it. It's behind you.
More candy?
Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dang. Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
What is it?
This would be my decal?
It might be, I don't know. So, if you guys wonder why speed pull costs as much as it costs, it's because obviously these things are meant to be used and abused and still hold up strong, because this is not a soft pinata. Well, I mean, I guess it is now, but it was not a soft pinata prior to Chris beating the shit out of it. But, oh, get some candy. So, buddy, what are you gonna install that?
No, I think part of the deal was
2,500 likes, you get the
install
decal.
it.
No, I don't remember that part.
Rock, paper, scissors.
All right. Don't scratch your head, man. You're gonna lose more hair.
Oh.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors. But because it's your birthday, 2 out of 3. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. You can't win, dude. Hey, it's your birthday. As much as I hate installing these on windows that have the split sliding window, which it is possible, by the way, I'll do that for you, buddy.
I appreciate it.
Happy birthday, man.
Thank you, thank you.
I would dump this on you. Well, that's a lot to clean up. It kind of actually worked out really well. It just didn't go everywhere because there's a lot of shit in there. Okay. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
So thanks to you guys. You gotta thank your guys,
Oh.
man, because if you didn't get 2,500 likes on that video, I don't know what you would have got for your birthday. An empty pinata.
With candy. No, I got candy.
Or you would have got candy.
Okay. Thanks everybody for
How does it feel, Chris? How does it feel?
feels great.
Oh, okay.
Thanks everybody for 2,500.
They got way
likes.
more than 2,500 likes.
Really?
Yeah, dude. You had a lot of people liking that video for you.
Nice. Well, thanks for the likes. See you in the next video.
Dude, we're not done. We gotta go install this
Oh,
on your truck.
fuck. Sorry. Oh, here.
All right, buddy, go drop that tailgate. I'll show you what these bad boys look like. I'm hoping I got it right, because I don't remember exactly how you said you wanted it. So I kind of improvised. What the? What are you running, a scrapyard now?
Yep.
Oh, nice. What are we selling?
Selling. Whoever wants it can have it.
Oh, it's free?
Free.
Free stock suspension parts?
Yep.
Dang, some high-end stuff right there.
It is.
All right. Check these out, bad boys. Right here. Check it out. Check it out.
Okay.
What you thinking? What you think? You like it?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
All right, throw it on.
Nah, the deal was.
All right, rock, paper, scissors one more time.
One more. Okay.
All right. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. God, dude, you just cannot win at rock, paper, scissors. All right. Let's see if we can get this installed before the weather takes a turn. We might have to postpone this for a second. think we just made the cut just before sunset. We got this bad boy all installed, and it actually went a lot smoother than I thought it was gonna go. Chris, what do you think, buddy? I think it turned out killer.
I think it looks badass.
You gotta face the camera, buddy.
Oh, I think it looks badass.
It turned out pretty sweet, huh?
It did.
That's yeah, man, that's beautiful. Great color choice, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Where'd you get that made?
WORKFORIT.apparel.com.
There you go.
This video gets 2,500 likes. Ryan will start making those.
No. This one was special made for you, buddy. These are a lot of work goes into making these and then pre-assembling these to ship and sell them. It just would not go as smooth. I'm surprised that install went as smooth, but just so you guys know, you can install it on Windows with a split window, and yes, the window will still function. I had that the same way on my Silverado, and it's going to be the same way on my Denali. So I think, yeah, that actually looks really, really sweet. So if you guys want the XL decals, we're not going to make them the same way we made Chris, but we do the 2-color decals for you guys. Buddy, happy birthday. Everybody, make sure you give Chris a happy birthday down in the comments. It's probably going to be posted a couple days after his birthday, but because of Chris, you're going to get 2 videos this week. So, you know, this big man right here does a lot for you guys behind the scenes, even though he's not super active in front of the camera.
I'm super active. What are you talking about?
Are you?
Yeah.
All right, take it away, buddy. Really? Really?
What?
So, as always, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. You know what? I'm not even going to say that. You know, I told you guys a while back, you know, we always have the new guy in the video do the roll the outro. And if we don't have a new guy in the video, I want you guys to DM me on Instagram a high quality video of you guys saying roll the outro, something that I can save and post in these videos. So because of that, I'm going to turn this over to my cop buddy out of Philly. We'll let him handle it from here.
If you haven't already, make sure you give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out the link above for Work For It Apparel. Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah.